intention now is to upload a Docker image to Azure. And it looks like that takes a little bit of work. So let's give this a try and see how this works out. I'm just going to try these generic commands and see how well these work out. So this is why I wanted the CLI to work in Azure, because I want to run these commands in it. Let's see if those will work. So I want to make the command in the West. So I'm going to change this to West US, and I don't care what name it really. Let's see if this works. So it did, I think, and it gave me some looks like a dictionary in Python or some JSON to capture. So I could capture this, I suppose. I'm not sure I really need it, but let's just capture this stuff anyway and keep it. So that'll keep it. I'm not sure I'll need this stuff, but it doesn't cost much to keep it, right? Okay, that takes care of that. Let's see what else we can do here. There's our... Okay. Looks like this ought to work here. Maybe I even like the 007 here, so let's try that out. So how easy can this get, right? I'm just cutting and pasting here. Oh, it didn't reject it. That's taking a while, isn't it? Let's hit enter once more. I think it's working on it. Yep, looks like it is. So I've been loading videos onto YouTube on my little journey here into Azure. As you can see, I've put these on how to make an image in Docker. So I made my find risingstocks.com website and put it into this Docker image. I was attempting to create storage here. I finally got storage working here. I got the bash shell to work right here. So now we're working with the bash shell, trying to get this Docker image loaded up to Azure. Okay, so what happened here? Okay, well that makes sense because somebody else used that name. So that is interesting, isn't it? Let's create a name which is more like me. I can make it unique by saying let's see if this will work. Or I can make it like, that's my YouTube channel. Let's try that. In fact, I'll take out the rest of this thing. Okay, well, let's leave it like that. Poof. So that worked, and pretty damn quick. That worked really quick. we'll do here is copy this thing down. Finished ... So it looks like everything here communicates in JSON. And I'll save this thing here. Okay, then I'll save that in case we need it again. So that's good. Now, what I really want to do, though, is upload my Docker image. That's really what we're trying to do here. So that's done. I got the output. Take note of login server. Okay, so a login server right there. Login server for my output. The login server is where? Right there. Let's grab this whole thing here. Okay. So, take note of login server. A placeholder for the container. Login server for the login name. Okay, registry name. Registry name. Do we have that here? Let's take a look. No wonder this stuff needs automated. There's too much to it. Okay, there's a name. I guess they mean that's registry name there. People keep texting me. Okay, let's look back at the example here. So it looks like AZ login minus name, registry name. AZ login minus name, registry name. Okay, right there. So it's that name right there that I used. That's the registry name right there. So let's see what I called it here. This is it right here. So what I'll do is I'll paste this here. Let's paste this name here and get the rest of the example out of here. AZ login name, that name there. Let's see if this will work. Can I go backward? Yes, I can. This is supposedly a bash shell. This seems too easy. We're running a Docker domain, which is blah, 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 not supported. Use Azure login minus n. Okay, that's cool. Well, this thing is really helpful. It gives you guided tours on what you need to do. Let's get the access token as it wants. Okay, there's my token right there. I'm again going to save this thing. Of course, this is a password, which people could really mess with me, but who cares? I guess I didn't show you all of it. And you can't cut and paste this thing easily from a video. B-I-A-Z, word, Docker. Okay, that should do it. Gonna put that token there. There it is. Get back to my example here. So now I want to push this thing. I don't need to pool, I have one. I already have one, Docker tag. Docker push, so I'm probably gonna need to push to the server with my Docker image. So first I want to get a command prompt on my local Mac OS here. Let's see if I can list anything. Okay, Docker image list. There's my image right there. Ubuntu latest image ID. Okay, so I want to upload that thing. I'm going to stop the video here and then show you how I upload this thing when I get it done, okay? So thanks for watching, and look for the next video on how to upload this thing to Azure. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.